Great to have you here for the new DSTV Assistant for Autodesk Inventor video. Today, we're all about signatures, markings, and powder lines. Here we see a simple part, and if you look closely, you can already spot a few elements on the beam, a label and 2 sketches. In this video, we want to export these as a signature, a marking, and powder lines. But for the DSTV Assistant to correctly recognize them, we need to name the sketches accordingly. Here in the settings, we can define the prefixes for the sketches. In our case, mark for markings, powder for powder lines, and signature for signatures. Back in Inventor, we now have to rename the sketches accordingly. I'll quickly do that. And now we can move on to the familiar DSTV NC export. We open the dialog and select single component in the selection mode, so we only export or analyze individual components. We select the profile. With only one part, we can skip the identical part detection and click on Analyze. And here we already see the recognized profiles. This is our I-beam, which was created beforehand with solid steel parametric. We enter an order number and click on Export All, and the DSTV NC file for our I-profile is generated. I'll open the Explorer, and here we can already see our export, an NC file of our IPE180. Let's open it. At the top, the standard header, then the outer contours, drillings, and at the bottom, the corresponding signatures, markings, and powder lines. Let's quickly check this in a viewer. I'll use the Steel Projects viewer for this. Here's the part. Let me align it. Zooming in, oops, that's upside down. Let's rotate the beam so its orientation matches the one in Inventor. And here we can clearly see the signature in green, and the corner points of the markings and powder lines highlighted in red. Here again is the comparison with the 3D model in Inventor. We've just seen how easy the creation process is. When using solid steel parametric, signatures such as position numbers or other data can even be placed automatically on profiles and plates without manually creating or renaming any sketches. Feel free to give it a try. You'll find a link in the video description to the free express version of the DSTV Assistant for Autodesk Inventor. And if you don't know solid steel parametric yet, just watch the suggested video to learn more about it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.